Hello students, now we are going to study the topic which is the chemical properties of alkaline earth metals, means the chemical properties of group 2 elements. And you know very well that which are the members of group 2 elements, that is the beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, okay, and barium and radium. बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप रोए, वो वाली ट्रिक थी हमारी. एंड दैट इज द बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम, स्ट्रोंशियम, बेरियम एंड रेडियम. दीज आर द members of group 2, and group 2 members are called alkaline earth metals. First chemical property is reaction with air, reaction with oxygen. So whenever metal react with oxygen, it form the metal oxide. Okay, and we know that there the metal has valency 2 because it is the group 2 element, so its valency is 2, like Be plus 2, magnesium plus 2. And the oxygen has also valency 2, it is plus 2 and it is minus 2. So what will be the product? It is the M2O2, means MO. What is the product? Is MO. So we can say that metal react with oxygen, the group 2 element react with oxygen and form the MO. Is it clear to all of you? So let's check the example. That is, first is Be plus O2, it form BeO, beryllium oxide. Mg plus O2, magnesium oxide. Calcium plus O2 is calcium oxide. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, when heated with oxygen, forms monoxide, while strontium, barium and radium forms peroxide. So we can divide them into two kinds of the properties to form the oxides. First is beryllium, magnesium and calcium form the oxides, and the barium, strontium and radium, they call the they form the peroxide. Okay, and you know very well what is the peroxide. Peroxide is O2 has power minus 2, has valency minus 2. So you can check here, beryllium, strontium and radium forms the peroxides. Next reaction is reaction with nitrogen. So they form the nitrites. In the group 1 elements, only lithium has property to form the nitrites. Okay, but in the group 2 elements, these elements have property to form nitrites. When M react with nitrogen, it will form M3N2. So let's check the example. Beryllium, magnesium. Beryllium react with N2, it is formed Be3N2, and Mg plus N2, it is Mg3N2. Ease of formation of nitrates means कितना easily वो nitrates का formation करेगा, increases from beryllium to barium, means top to bottom, the ease of formation of nitrate is increases. Okay, so we can say and these nitrates react with water to evolve ammonia. So when these nitrates react with water, they form the hydroxide of that particular metal, like Mg. Magnesium nitride forms magnesium hydroxide and form the two molecules of ammonia gas. Okay, next one is reaction with water, or we can say moisture. So we know that whenever the metal react with the H2O, it will form the hydroxide. What is hydroxide? Okay, so we can say from forms hydroxide and liberate which gas? Hydrogen gas. 2m plus 2h2o, it is MOH2 and the H2, and the MOH2 को और हम थोड़ा सा expand करके लिखेंगे, it is the MOHOH. Okay, down the group, reactivity to form hydroxide increases. When we move from top to bottom, from beryllium to barium, we know that the reactivity to form hydroxide increases, means इससे भी ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से ये आपका हाइड्रोक्साइड बनाएगा, इसकी टेंडेंसी हाई रहेगी. बेरिलियम डज नॉट रिएक्ट विथ हॉट वाटर. देखो वाटर की रिएक्शन करने की तीन कंडीशन हो सकती है हमारे पास में. कोल्ड वाटर है ना, उसके बाद में आपका हो सकता है नॉर्मल वाटर, उसके बाद में हॉट वाटर. हॉट वाटर मीन्स द बॉइलिंग वाटर, हॉट वाटर एंड द बॉइलिंग वाटर, द स्टीम. और जो सबसे लेस रिएक्टिव होता है, तो हमारे पास जो लास्ट स्टेज होती है कि हम हॉट वाटर से या बॉइलिंग वाटर से रिएक्शन करवा सकते हैं उसको. ओके, सो अगर वो हाईली रिएक्टिव होगा देन इट कैन इजीली रिएक्ट विद द कोल्ड वाटर ऑल्सो. तो beryllium has very less tendency to form the hydroxide, so that's why it does not react with hot water. Okay, very less reactive. Magnesium react with boiled water, मतलब ये hot water या boiled water से reaction कर लेगा, beryllium तो करता भी नहीं है. Calcium, strontium and barium react vigorously even with the cold water. Okay, उनको hot water का need नहीं है, they can easily react with the cold water. So we can say जो cold water से react कर रहा है, it means it is highly reactive. The next one is reaction with hydrogen. So we know that what will be the form? They form hydrides. M plus H2, that is the product is the MH2, metal hydride. Okay. So magnesium plus H2, MgH2, Ca plus H2, CH2, and you know or don't know, no issue, but please remember that CH2 is also called hydrolith, है ना, इसका नाम है CH2 को क्या बोलते हैं? Hydrolith. Okay, and all are ionic hydrides except BH2. The B is the first member of the group and it shows always the anomalous properties. So all the hydrides of other elements of the group are ionic, but BH2 is the covalent in nature. Okay, preparation of BH2. So BH2 can however also be prepared by reducing BCl2 with LiLH4. ये BCl2 है, ये LiLH4 है, दोनों की रिएक्शन करवाएंगे. So we can found BH2 LiCl plus AlCl3. So it is the method to form the BH2 also. Okay, all the hydrides react with water to evolve hydrogen gas and thus behave as strong reducing agent. कैसे? This is the, suppose our example is metal hydride and it react with water, so it released the hydrogen from here, so it form MOH2 hydroxide और 2 hydrogen release कर रहा है, so it is reducing agent. Also we can say that M plus OH minus है ना. So it means ये क्या करेगा? It is basic in nature because it releases the OH minus ion. Reaction with X2, X2 के साथ always reaction करेगी. X is the halide, so sorry halogen, so when metal react with halogen it form the halides. Be plus Cl2 beryllium chloride means metal halide, magnesium chloride and the calcium chloride. Okay, next is reaction with acids. Oh, so they form the salts and the H2 gas, not water here, it is only H2 gas. So B plus HCl, that is BCl2 plus H2, Mg plus HCl, MgCl2 plus H2, B Mg plus HNO3, it form MgNO3 twice plus H2, Mg plus H2SO4, sulfuric acid, MgSO4 plus H2. So the one thing you have to remember, that is the metal react with the acid and form the salt plus the hydrogen gas. Okay. Now the next and important thing is reaction with ammonia. What is the reaction with ammonia? So solution in liquid ammonia, and previously in the chemical properties of alkali metals we have already studied that about that. The like alkali metals, the alkaline earth metals dissolve in liquid ammonia. They'll dissolve in liquid ammonia. Yes, to give deep blue black solution. उसमें क्या था? deep blue solution. यहाँ पर deep blue black solution forming ammoniated ions. देखो यहाँ पर M metal, ये आपका ammonia है. It can form the M-3x2 plus, that is the ion, and these are the ammoniated electrons. From this solution the ammoniated ion can be recovered, but concentrated solution are bronze colored due to the formation of clusters. Okay, these solutions are good conductor of electricity. उसके पीछे reason है electron or ion, the ammoniated free electron or ion. Okay, so this is the general chemical properties of the alkaline earth metals. And students, now we are going to study the general characteristics of the compounds. जो भी compounds ये बनाते हैं, means alkaline earth metal के जो भी compounds होते हैं उनकी क्या general characteristics होती है, क्या properties होती हैं. So now we are going to study them. So first thing is the alkaline earth metals form compounds which are predominantly ionic. कैसे होते हैं? तो एक ही लाइन में आंसर होगा इसका, they are ionic, but less ionic than the corresponding compounds of alkali metals. So suppose there is a question, the compounds of alkali earth metals or alkaline earth metals, which is more ionic? So answer is alkali metals. The compounds of alkali metals group 1 के जो compounds होते हैं, they are more ionic than the group 2. Okay, next BEMG forms covalent compound. जो first two members हैं they form the covalent compounds, and the last BACASR या जो भी है, जो भी means मैंने sequence उल्टा लिख दिया है इसलिए, these forms the ionic. So we can say the tendency to form ionic compounds is increasing डाउन दी ग्रुप, टॉप टू बॉटम आओगे तो ये इंक्रीज होगी, बिकॉज ऊपर तो आपको कोवेलेंट नेचर मिल रहा है, और जैसे आप डाउन जा रहे हो देन द कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर इज डिक्रीजिंग और आयनिक कैरेक्टर इज इंक्रीजिंग. ओके. So next, the first one is oxides and hydroxides, means we are going to study the properties of oxides of group 2 elements and hydroxides of group 2 elements. The alkaline earth metals burn in oxygen to form monoxide, which is MO. We have already studied about that. BeO, it is the beryllium oxide and it is the amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric means आपके पास कोई भी oxides है, suppose it is acidic, suppose it is basic, and some kind of compounds are acidic and basic, both properties shows up by them, है ना. both properties means वो acidic भी है and basic भी है. when they react with the base, they act as acid, and when they react with acid, they act as base. Okay, so it is called the amphoteric nature. So BeO is amphoteric, whereas oxides of other elements are basic in nature. So clear है, BeO is amphoteric, otherwise जो भी elements हैं उनके oxides कैसे हैं, basic in nature. Okay. BeO इज कोवेलेंट, अदरवाइज जो दूसरे हैं Mg के अलावा दूसरे जो हैं वो आयनिक रहेंगे. ऑल द ऑक्साइड्स एक्सेप्ट BeO आर बेसिक इन नेचर एंड ऑल रिएक्ट विथ वाटर टू फॉर्म sparingly soluble hydroxide. क्यों sparingly मतलब less soluble, so they form the PPT easily and settle down in the test tube or in the pot as we used. So MO plus H2O means oxide react with water to form MOH2 hydroxide, like calcium oxide plus H2O, calcium hydroxide. You know that it is the quicklime and it is the slagged lime. BaO plus H2O form BaOH2. The solubility, thermal stability means क्या हो गया, वो कितने टेम्परेचर को कैसे ना कितने टेम्परेचर तक वो सस्टेन कर सकता है ना. तो the solubility, the thermal stability and the basic character of these hydroxide increases with increasing atomic number. So we can say from MgOH2 we are talking about the hydroxides. So from MgOH2 to BaOH2, है ना, these properties are down the group, these character are increasing. ओके. कौन कौन से कैरेक्टर हैं, सोल्यूबिलिटी, थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी और बेसिक कैरेक्टर. सो कोई आपसे क्वेश्चन कर ले, सपोज MgOH2 compare the MgOH2 and BaOH2, which is more thermally stable, it is, which is more basic, it is, which is more soluble in water, it is. So we can say these properties increases down the group. Okay. The alkaline earth metals hydroxides are however less basic and less stable as the alkali metal hydroxide. So we know that, इसको हम easily समझ सकते हैं. Suppose we are taking example NaOH and we are taking example BaOH2. So we know that it is the hydroxide of group 1 element and it is the hydroxide of group 2 element. So bases of group 1 elements are more basic than the group 2 elements. इनकी basicity high होती है, means इनका जो basic nature है it is higher और stability भी high होती है. Number 2, when they react with halogen they form the halide. अभी हमने oxides की property study किया. Now we are going to study about the properties of halides. ठीक है. Halides of all group 2 elements except BX. तो फिर से इसका exception है, means B always क्या show करेगा, anomalous properties. So BX2 are ionic. Except BX2 are ionic means it is covalent. BX2 molecules only exist in gaseous state, a gaseous phase. BeCl2 has a chain structure in the solid state. Okay, especially it is very important. Okay, in the solid state it has a chain structure. ये इस टाइप की चेन स्ट्रक्चर है. इसको कैसे स्टडी करेंगे, सपोज चेक करो आप यहाँ पर BeCl2, अब यहाँ पर भी Cl है, यहाँ पर भी Cl है, ठीक है, यहाँ पर भी Cl है, यहाँ पर भी Cl. BeCl2 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 ऐसे पूरा चेन स्ट्रक्चर बन रहा है. और ये जो बॉन्ड्स हैं नॉर्मल बॉन्ड, दीज आर द बॉन्ड ऑन द प्लेन. और इस टाइप जो बॉन्ड होते हैं दे आर अबव द प्लेन. और ये जो डैश 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 बॉन्ड होते हैं दीज आर दी, ये इस टाइप जो वेजेस होते हैं दीज आर दी बिलो द प्लेन. तो आपको यहाँ पर दिखेंगे बी प्लस Cl माइनस मीन्स इट इज द पोलर बॉन्ड. और इस टाइप एक चेन स्ट्रक्चर आपको मिलेगी, दिट इज दी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ हेलाइड इन देयर सॉलिड स्टेट. और वेपर स्टेट में कैसे रहेंगे, वेपर स्टेट में दे आर इन द डाइमर फॉर्म मीन्स 2 यूनिट्स ऑफ these are combined. कैसे? देखो B Cl Cl, यहाँ पर B से कनेक्ट हो गया, देन Cl, ओके इसका भी Cl, एक Cl कनेक्ट हो जाएगा, ठीक है. सो वी नो दैट द Be Cl2, BCl2, we are taking here BeCl2. So there are two B and 1 2 3 4 Cl. So BeCl2 plus BeCl2 क्या बन जाएगा? जनरली देर आर टू बी, ओके ये दो बी हैं, Cl भी चार हैं, 1 2 3 4. तो इस टाइप से डाइमर बना लेगा. ये नेगेटिव है और ये पॉजिटिव है. सिंपल सी बात है. जनरल ये क्या था एक्चुअल में, इस टाइप से था, दैट इज द बी, सपोज ये Cl हो गया और ये Cl हो गया, ठीक है. नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव. दूसरा बी हमारे पास यहाँ है, बी पॉजिटिव. तो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव अट्रैक्शन, ठीक है, तो ये इससे कनेक्टेड हो गया, सिंपल है. तो इसलिए ये यहाँ पर बी का जो एक्सीएल था वो इस बी से कनेक्टेड हो गया, इस बी का एक्सीएल इससे कनेक्टेड हो गया, और इस टाइप से एक डाइमर स्ट्रक्चर बन गई है, जिससे स्टेबिलिटी भी इंक्रीज हो जाती है वेपर फेज में. इन द सॉलिड फेज इट हैज़ द चेन स्ट्रक्चर. Dimer which dissociate into linear monomer at high temperature. When you provide high temperature to its dimer, it will be dissociate into linear means फिर again वो क्या हो जाएगा, BCl Cl, BCl and Cl, इस टाइप से लीनियर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा at the order of या at the temperature of 1200 1200 Kelvin. MgBr2 and the MgI2 are soluble in organic solvents. They are ionic. Okay. Tendency to form hydrates decrease down the group. Hydrates means tendency to hold the water molecules. Mean water molecule के साथ में bonding बनाने की tendency down the group increase होती है. And we can check by the examples. Mg can hold 8 water molecules, Ca can 6, Sr can 6, Ba can 2. So we can check here 8 6 6 2. So the property to form the hydrates is decreasing down the group. I hope you will able to understand these concepts. Fluorides and alkaline earth metals are sparingly soluble in water. Sorry, fluorides of alkaline earth metals are sparingly soluble in water due to high lattice energy, because fluorides and the alkaline earth metals like MgN have similar size, or similar size होने से they have a strong association, and their lattice enthalpy is very high, so that's why they are sparingly soluble. Solubility increases slightly with increase in ionic size. जैसे जैसे ionic size increase होगा वैसे वैसे solubility भी increase होगा. CaF2 is insoluble in water. It is called fluorospar, and ionic character are increases down the group. So BeCl2 से ज़्यादा ionic है MgCl2, then CaCl2, then SrCl2 and BaCl2 ionic है ज़्यादा. जब टॉप टू बॉटम आते हैं तो ionic character increase होते हैं, ठीक है. So these are the main chemical properties of the and the general properties, general characteristics of the compounds of the alkaline earth metals. Okay, and from the next video and the next class we will start from this topic, salts of oxo acids. Okay, इसको हम next class में continue करेंगे. Okay, all the best to all of the students for your study. Okay, be concentrate on your study and do very well and do your best. All the best to all of you.